Hi, my name's Tim Salai. I'm the Wind Tunnel Calibrations Officer for Ecotech. We have a wind tunnel here which has a NATA accreditation to calibrate all makes, models and types of anemometers. That is wind speed sensors and wind direction sensors as well. Have a couple here to show you. For example, here is a modern type ultrasonic anemometer. This is used by meteorological bureaus, mining companies to monitor which way their emissions are going. This is used as audible sounds and compares it with the speed of sound to generate wind speed and wind direction readings. It's important to know which way their emissions are going, and so they can report to EPAs. There's another ultrasonic type with the little transducers there. We have the traditional cup type ones, which you may see outside spinning around. They can measure quite high speeds. They're still in use today because they're quite a linear device. We have customers as far away as Jakarta in Indonesia. Their Bureau of Meteorology sends us their cup anemometer once a year to calibrate. They then use that as a transfer standard to calibrate all their other anemometers, so that's a critical application from their point of view. We have another type here which is a thermal anemometer, which uses a very thin heated wire and uses the cooling effect of wind to measure wind speed. This is good for very low speed applications. You can extend this and put it into air conditioning ducts, fume cabinets, paint spray booths, hospital operating theatres, which is a very critical application to ensure there is a positive airflow while they're performing an operation. So very important that they measure a very accurate speed, and that's a very low speed. We have small cups, we have big cups that measure very harsh conditions that the Bureau of Meteorology might use down in Tasmania, in Cape Grim, to measure prevailing winds. So that fits in. If it fits in our wind tunnel, we can calibrate it, and we have the NATA accreditation to do that. Here we have one more type, which is what they refer to as intrinsically safe, which means there are no electronics or batteries or anything that can possibly induce a spark and cause an explosion. They use these in underground mines like coal mines to measure airflow there for ventilation and breathing for the miners. So that's another critical application, and that measures quite low speeds as well.